Aguka. Aguka na wewe.
So hello guys, welcome to this amazing channel. In today's video I want you guys to watch the events that happened on these different occasions about the helicopters. Guys, make sure you watch until the end and make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, and tell me what you think about this video. These are different events that happened mostly in Kenya and other parts of the world. Okay, so make sure you watch this video till the end, like the video, subscribe. So let's begin the video, guys.
Game over. Ready. Fight.
Kuja. Aguka. Aguka na wewe.
So guys, thank you so much for watching up to this point. I hope you guys have learned something today. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like the video, and drop a comment. Let me know where you're watching from, and if this video is really amazing, make sure you subscribe. And yeah, that's how we do it here, guys. This is just the part A of this video. This part B of it, and 3 and 4, or C and D coming up later on. Up to this point, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye for now, guys.